video, let's look at a problem based on geometry. Find the area of the shaded part of the square in the figure below, taking pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay, so let's look at the figure. It's actually a square because it has 14, 14, and we have to find the area of this shaded region. The thing about geometry is it requires some visualization skills, meaning you have to think outside the box. That's why geometry questions will be frequently asked in kind of advanced aptitude tests. Okay, so let's look at the figure. How do we find the area of this region? Usually in such problems we will try to outline some known geometrical figure, maybe like a circle or a rectangle or a triangle, and then based on that we will proceed. Here, how do we find out a known figure? We have a square over here. Let's see whether we can make it into a triangle. Now, the division of the square into 2 along its diagonal like this will give a triangle. But even if we have the area of this triangle, how do we find out this region, this shaded region? Do you get what I mean? Even if we have triangle, we can't find this region. So we need to find another known figure. Does this outline remind you of any figure? This outline is actually a quadrant. So this is a quadrant. Quadrant is the 1/4 of a circle. Okay, we have a quadrant now. How do we proceed from here? This is a quadrant and this is a triangle. So to find out this shaded region, which is half, we can just take quadrant minus triangle. Do we get the whole shaded region? No, we only get half. We will get this part. This part, if we take this quadrant and subtract this triangle. Okay, so let's first find out the area of the quadrant. Now the formula for the area of the whole circle is pi r square by 4. So the area of the quadrant will be 1 by 4 into pi r square. Sorry, the area of the circle is pi r square and the area of quadrant will be pi r square by 4. So this will give 1 by 4 into pi will be taken as 22 by 7 and r, the radius is 14. This will give us 154 centimeters square. Let's look at the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is half into 14 into 14. This will give us, I've already calculated the values beforehand. This is 98 cm square. So the half of the shaded region you have to be careful not to take this as the whole shaded region because you have to multiply this into 2. Okay, so the shaded part will be 154 minus 98 and this gives us 56. Now this is only half the shaded region. So the full shaded region will be 56 into 2 and that gives us 112 centimeters square. So this is the region of the shaded part.